Welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Today is October 7, 2025. We bring you the latest update from South Sudan and beyond. We have update on clash outside Abyei, and a tragic shooting in Juba, and the start of civic education on the permanent constitution in Juba. Before we proceed with this latest update, I would like you to tap the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let us start with our first top stories. We begin with the news from the Abyei administrative area. Fighting has erupted outside Abyei. This is between component of the Unified VIP Protection Force, both sides, South Sudan People Defense Force and SPLA confirmed the clashes. Colonel Lampol Gabriel, spokesperson for SPLA, said that fighting started between their forces and the SSPDF. He added that the clash are still ongoing and detail will come later. On the other side, Major General Lu Rei Kong, spokesperson for SSPDF, also confirmed the clashes. Major General General Lu Rei Kong, the spokesperson of the SPLA, he said the fighting is happening among the Unified Protection Force outside Abyei. SSPDF forces are now doing mopping up operation, he said. These clashes show tension between military components meant to work together. This is part of a bigger challenges in South Sudan, where forces from different sides sometimes fight even after peace agreement. We will continue to follow this story. Updates will come when military authorities release new information. Another top story: shooting in high cinema in Juba. A tragic story from Juba. A 5-year-old girl was killed during an army robbery. This happened in high cinema residential area early this morning. Police said a criminal tried to rob a border rider around 12:50 a.m. The rider escaped safely, but a stray bullet went through a house and hit the child. She died instantly. Police spokesperson Major General James Monday Enoka said the child was shot in a crossfire. The CID is searching for the suspect. This is not the first violent incident in Juba this month. On 5 October, a 16-year-old boy was killed in Junduro residential area. Police are investigating also. Also on 4th October, an 80-year-old man accidentally caused the death of his 4-year-old daughter after giving her alcohol. He has been arrested. Friend, these stories remind us of the importance of security and safety in South Sudan. Parents, neighbors, and authorities must work together to protect the children. Let's take a look at the civic education on permanent constitution. Let us move to positive news. The National Constitutional Review Commission, NCRC, has started a nationwide civic education campaign. The goal is to collect public view on the permanent constitution. The campaign started in Juba and is moving to Lake Northern Barghazal, Eastern Equatoria, and Western Barghazal. John Natana Abram, Secretary General of NCRC, say team of 7 members are visiting communities. They share information and gather opinions. This process belongs to the people of South Sudan. Every citizen should understand their rights and responsibilities, Natana said. Oyet Patrick, chair of Civic Education and Public Consultation Committee, said the commission is transparent and accountable. All views will be included in the final draft. Well, the campaign is supported by UNIMIS, UNDP, UN Women, and JICA, among others. It is an important step to make the constitution people-driven. This is your chance to speak for your country, whether you are in the city or in rural areas. Your voice matters. We have looked at clash outside Abyei. Force men to work together are fighting. Military authorities are monitoring the situation in Abyei between the SPLA and SSPDF. Second episode that we did look at is tragic shooting in I Cinema, where a 5-year-old girl lost her life during an army robbery. Police are investigating the case. And third, civic education campaign is taking the constitution to communities. Your voice matters in shaping South Sudan future. These stories show both challenges and hope in South Sudan. We see violence, but also step toward peace and inclusion. Joe Banling Bana Raketin Kon Sharen Lad. Joe Nam Bana Quen Bana Rak Kora Dana Chitwokan Wale. Kora me Kormidit. A can Kononia mi Jirami did Guasame, Gorijan Wojen, Dairy Channel, Dirige support. Dairy subscribe Changfied YouTube channel ko Misha Take Michi Barai Guasame, Dashua Mala Shubiki and Gualdana Pailarich. Joe on the Ambaling Guasame, Banaja took a queer Abyei administrative area, Abyei Ngakone. Chalada no Chikorcha talk Rar Abyei administrative area. Kakuromo talk Kam di Nyadangro. Jen tuoka kam SSPDF can SPLA. Wachalado Unified Force Nitinten winami a kenchiro money. Shokoro mo tuok jo. SSPDF can SPLA. Chalado kenchikurum. Many ama chalat guasame chalado no kulna Lampol Gabriel take a jo chalat. Kulna Lampol Gabriel Ramadan and la spokesperson Kokume dung Dr. Machar. Chalado nena a general clergy erupted in Abyei between SPLA component of the Unified Protection Force and the SSPDF detail will follow later. Chalado Chikoro much order lot come Kume SPLA can SSPDF. Che jo me che YouTube ka Facebook de che lat che menen yana magwasme na me jo lam Paul Gabriel general momo mila quer ke spokesperson mila roke ku kuma SPLA wo che la do ne che koro mo cho de lat kam di ni ken dangro jene ba man cho de lat re wo chin gune mi ta dan che kor che let ke je china li wal chana mi ko bot jene bajale nyok minum jena ka kor gwaten biben duno shigana update ka social media ko do dan ende jelingi ja jaw dena bana nyok mukwen kono gwasame bala jaw dana chalat Ramadan and Chalke Major General Lul Reikong Lul Reikong jen spokesperson ko kume SSPDF Ramadan and la ler kala de SSPDF ka South Sudan People Defense Force jen chelado nene chelado no shukoro mo che talk la talk che jengi che gorba ka social media de gwal mi chelado no shukoro che talk kam de ni SSPDF kene de ni SPLA gwal da dan into Unified Force Station ala Unified VIP Protection Force outside Abyei rara Abyei jen gwal da dan room courtin ajene SSPDF ka tin tamatika kor ke kume SPLA yo ajene bana ta ba kan yok mu kwa ka update yo gwaza danen chaman danen tuok chaja ngach shi kan gar dangro chajo mo chaja la de ken no ka do badan en ti rega me chor lat ke je chana men gujba ka ta dan let koro den ke jere wi ka South Sudan ngai kon diale en go kume kirma yadit che gorno be dini SPLA yo tin pin Dr. Machar che goro ken no baka chenka chiang mudong michro lut ka ta dan ngai kon je kan gwas diality chala do shukuro mo chaje organize ke chaje yale ke dini SSPDF but take a report miche bene kenyam den mugoro de nywa yekel report mo jen George en go kor tuoga ko shideni SPLA yo wa charien wo gwenten kon tiketin mishika rodian wo jone cha tuoga no kan do bdan wo ka rodian ke je kan recognize dini SSPDF wa ken chaka mak en wena mo ajen munong kor ki mi jang na ko bikin ray wichin binami shukuro mo cha tuoga ka jawdana shala chinat no shnayo kor dini SSPDF ken dini SPLA ayo chiku shurum kan unify force dan en ngeke wa VIP force la ne kon de kwade ka gang ke de na de kan gang re wi ka South Sudan ko unify force ngai kon e ma dini tungwan duno shari en da gwada dan shukuro mo chetwoktin kor chetwoka kor mi diche kor mo to chen ngai kon ano kume kirm yadit gore jeno dare dini SPLA yo kan dia dare ka joy ka gwada antikitin but jala duno dini SPLA yo sharen wo gwada antikitin shikanure rop wajen gwada na ukor we toktin winimi me bana jejek yo gwada dan shikan report mo shikan release ko shikan lat ka piniken no bikan lana mandana shoda lat ki men chitwok no namo ban jo ngach chana merwacha ka reg mi chitwok re wecha no ka doro shal ka me juba shala do take shure ana chawono de kan kamach ando badan mai kana ka je chala do chicken gwarnyam tot gwarnyal mitik rundang de karodin chicken nak wa kana ita mai na da to wa kan chana chaka dwan match dor chal ka ai cinema residential area karun wangan paiwa wa mi chigna dwan ma joni ramadan do kana match wa rami mo match mai kan gwan motor ki border rider kata waro mitik jendang di no karun wang ala 12:50 AM lo chermi whether something like that so no mo me jito gene watch do mo che jien che catch che nyama to de karun dang di jone che jaw nyot che jaw nak ke che jabar wache nek within gwada dan en charge men charge yon maitin ko wa ram me majeneran den choran yu dwan ma che do che jien che ram che nyama to mo terun dang di jone che jaw ber jandana ci talk ci police ni ci ka welo let kan investigation gorganitin content my kana ka area money ci rami chal ke police ki ramala lera la police spokesperson won mishale Major General James Monday no ka chala do ne jenen gar toromo na ka je ka crossfire cha jing jeno na ka je bat ci do ci we ci jober wa CID ni on winimi let kan searching gor karamdan le rega me no cha jo mo cha jo kwen amen biya kul ngai gwa se me chi jan shangan nyam no ba ring misena ba je la rewi ke juba wa ka kor ninten payubo no ka chenga diech no chenga diech ka pai wele me lo chere me de ko la pan ke je wa cha dol mitigrun dangol bakel wa cha je nagbo gwa de chalke junduro residential area wa police ne bakaten let ken investigation gor karamadana ne garmato mitigrun wal bakel anyok boka shanka 1 October la shanka 1 ka pai wel na me shanka diech ka pai ka jan pai wel lote na kam din ka chenkel karwada shanka 1 ka pai wel cha wun mitega jan badak la terun jan badak wudo mo jana wache nyaade cha jamaat ka kwang den ci ki ci nyaar na moni wachi yere cha tedmien al nyaar na moni nyamatot mitikarun dang wan karodien cha jamaat ka kwang gwan ka gwan wana makote under influence of alcohol kuje mandana le dajana lar kan ko ngajega wachi gartor mote rundang wana ci yere ju jen teme jen chaje yen jare ti jen ga joran chalat kije Jawo dena bana nyoko mukwen kono gwaseme bana rwache no ke kwi ngone jo mu chalat gwaseme neten kontin cha ngocha realika la civic education team local communities wa chike jekre which ka South Sudan la National Constitutional Review Commission la NCRC nediti tensha bongoni maliep ke manchaja gora wateme shikana gorno bikene dial re wike South Sudan ke li bikene kuti ka do badana dong the constitution de je gwike je ko shikana tu gore by the way shikana tu the goal is to collect public view on the permanent constitution. Permanent constitution na bong wani mandana nsha beger wa entama chaja kutuk duno kuko gore chernat lo kan cherba tuptinone wa chaga bugoch ko mika positive kan ba bika deal tin ka jawdan chikana lat chaja la no tama ti canadian ko ba ka lok ka ta dan lat ka ngwa ka je ka kan godan bika tuktin by the way and permanent constitution review mane kan bika tuk dara shal ke leg state boka Northern Bargazal, boka Eastern Equatoria, boka Western Bargazal. John Natana Abraham, Secretary General of NCRC, Key National Constitutional Review Commission, chikala no bika we kan yan gwada mo kana bondian. Kana washup kan ne dangbaro ti kan ne kon chare laka ko ba constitution ba ne ten kondong de jegwich ba ko teach re which ke community ni bikra ne ten kondong de sharkian they can go to biken go to one process me lat ke me o de ne ten content re wika South Sudan ne ideal content la citizen they can take ngach kamandana chagor they can chunken kan ta dana de let ke jala the responsibility they can ngach agwa Natana cha jomo cha jalat Oyet Patrick jen Ramdan chairman ka civic education and public consultation Ramdan la tika ka jen kwi inamaka lakin la committee nden kona ya kwa ngwaseme akani nana akani commission akani transparent and accountable ko chikne dial kan jago ba ne dial ba ka par ko bine dial bekan cherken bekan ko martin ka jen na me akan final draft kan ne lat final draft talk permanent constitution ka jodan jikan lat gwaseme la permanent constitution by the way very important ko di jen bugo dana to ngodi altigeten no kan la dagwa yudi jen obri begadetten chala de wona ne tin content chile de lonka this campaign wacha ka lok aji unimis tintere wika South Sudan Chakalwaka ji UNIMIS, Chakalwaka ji UNDP, Chakalwaka UN Women and JICA. Titi ko organization ni titere South Sudan ti lwakana. Amene ti kokian ti shigwich kajan permanent constitution dana latke chajo mo chajo kwene ken ko ngai kondi almadan le harode. Permanent constitution gwa ko de jetuk of course ko di jen kel ka ten goro de transitional government de jetuk chet ko antama ngai kondi ale en go la election charge de lat makan constitution bongon makana kontuk permanent constitution jen kel ka bong ka rew ten kan ten goro en go de queen kwade lat ke ngai kona to kon ke unification of forces alo de ne de ka mat gwaskel ke de ne kulete ko rentama ka de ne de kontin la ne te ka kiyam ne de ganyo ko man lo ka da wach ko de doctor mi chaka tuk then de mishal national election de je chulat no so ne me leave ne ideal antama wika South Sudan no kele me jen ba jalone but godang wane shalat ka goten kon weekend hotel koratin panal ngode teriek doro shal ka mi understand ngode mi jenewi na ka jongle ngode kan wi dial ko ken all this place gor ka jen o batch buka charken bo ken gotup ka jen constitutional review lat ka meni aneten kontin cha jagor ki chare realika channel yang katin kono lat ko rodi antama men go rede nyok mi kwa ye nyod ye gwaseme kor danan to revolution binimi kam kume SSPDF kana kume SPLA kor me wa kwa jelin ka mandana to kare wike juba ka do badan en loke dakren macha no shi bondang ro shi ka right ka social media no ken kani katin leave kan namandan en beben ko chala do kor already jatin rewijin winimi kor mi dichi kor matot an kore me gore jeno bene diarodin palpin ko mission me beja mat ko an kor me to cha kene china chika lutin ka china chicken tika bot and wala ka changa baro ka pai weron kin dangro jan dangro di koro mo tere wi ka Abyei jan gwaran ci kor shirumtin ba all the detail ba ka jegale duno en kor meni ci kor motor kor be ko en kor te kam nentin content te kel ke da kama char ke ne content kel ke kirmi yadi ban jedil ngaje no ba kwen gwenu ngode long unless yar di ali cha kor yale ka amade continent ma to kon we pol ko bi 2018 peace agreement betel ko chaje yarore de kim yadit jen mission it one time long no and wo de kim yadi dere da rema cha dere jelun dere participate ke peace process ko de mal dere ben but kiri che gor je dere yang ma char no dere je yor lwa yene kana me shabu man to ko ne one time even you and you can lad no ne de content yar ke we South Sudan ka kwar ka kim yadi jaram dan cha mention along so de kon dial te ka ngai commission amane elle mishi ler muto ke lunjok ka korana to kre we ka Abyei ni mi kam SSPDF kan SPLA banyo ko lunjok ko be nyot mandan en le rode ko de kon te ka lianki ko chobluaj ka tin kon tin be chana ngaje no tungwan rik tungwan ka tin re wechen binami kam sha ko bre ka kir bani ngaje no tele magwa mi broda lat no tidiate bana ka linkel kan kono ni ami jira mi jidit no ko bana to gore jeno dere channel dere subscribe ka dere je support ka share dere ja gore pin thank you for watching Changfied YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Your support helps us bringing real news to the people. Stay safe and stay informed. Take care. Thank you for watching and bye bye.